Hey, welcome back to the channel everybody. Today we're going to be installing the n15 design hood vents. I already have a mock-up on my E46. Mine's a pre-facelift model. And not only are these aesthetically appealing, they also are very functional. So these vents, they should bring down the water temperature by at least 15 degrees of Fahrenheit. And this will help out a lot with the engine cooling, especially on the right side of it where my exhaust manifold is. The vents are also going to help out with the downforce by evacuating the hot air from inside and out. So in the box you're going to have two templates, one on each side, and some rivets and an instruction manual. Now, if you guys want to purchase this for yourself, I'll leave a link down in the description below. So in the instruction manual, they want you to bring this up high by 300 to 400 millimeters, and also 5 millimeters from the inside the hood crest. Now the vents themselves are made of bare aluminum. I'm gonna end up painting this later black to go with my Orca theme, and I'm also gonna bend them later too, but not now. Now I've been looking through some photos on Instagram of other people with hood vents, and I think this is going to be the best position for cooling, with the exhaust manifold being this way. And I think it looks good. I measure everything from top, everything should be squared. Okay, so I finally got one side finished, and here's how it looks. It's pretty tough. I actually had to take off or cut more of the exoskeleton from the hood, from the underneath, more than I probably would like. I'm not sure if the M3 hood is different from the regular E46 model. I have a 330i, but yeah, it's looking pretty good. I'm drill out the small holes for the rivet spots, and then oh yeah, I'm gonna clean up the edge too, and then apply touch-up paint. Alright, so I just finished drilling the holes for the rivet spots. I use a 1/8 drill bit. Make sure you use WD-40 on the drill bit so it doesn't overheat. That way your bit will last a lot longer. And everything's good to go. The vent, I made sure that the vent lined up perfectly before I drill the holes. Make sure the spots were on point. Right, so finally finished cutting both sides, and I already lined up the plates, the vents, and they line up perfectly to the holes. This is the skeleton underneath the hood that I cut off. I try to make it as symmetrical as possible. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start filing down everything.
bass.
Alright, first coat is done. Probably gonna wait 10 to 15 minutes and I'll do my second coat. I'm probably gonna end up doing maybe 3 to 5 coats, we'll see. Second coat is done. Now, time for another 15 minutes. Yo, look at this though. You guys probably can't tell, but these looks freaking amazing. Okay, so I painted the vents yesterday, let it set for a day, and now it's all dried up on both sides. I already bent the fins on one of them, and look at how good it looks. I'm not sure if I want to keep the angle at this, the vents at this angle, but we'll see. Right now it looks pretty good. I'm probably gonna bend the other vent fin the same way.
Santos. Feel the bass. Go.
I'm gonna grab this one for reference. Alright, so I got the fins all bent up and it looks good. They're about the same angle. Now I'm about to slap these on. Ooh. Damn, that looks clean. Hold up. Wet. That looks so good. Alright, here's the final product. Ooh.